Hi, welcome back to the channel, and here is the finished product of the camper build. You can see we got the small door on this side, and I'm not going to talk through all of it, but you can see the finished product. Got the little door. We did wireless taillights, diamond plate, and then the sign on the back, which you have to be able to see it in the sun, but it does say America Bell. Get my hand out of the way. And this is the sign. We are at a vintage camper show right now, so it is on display. Come around the front side so you can see that. We did put the windows, we put some diamond plate right down here. We got all that done. And it turned out we left the oval. We got the door. Let's go inside and take a look so you can see what it looks like in here. Got the air on. So the inside of it got completely done. And over here we have a bench. This has a water tank under it. It carries about 10 gallons of water on board. This right here is just blank. We got our AC, the bed, all of what's left. She came in here and decorated it the way that she wanted it. So she got that done. This actually belongs to my sister-in-law and brother-in-law. And this is just a video of where they pulled it out of the woods 4 or 5 years ago. And it's just a cool little video of from where it went then to where it is now. We got a sink, which we got 10 gallons of onboard water, and this is just a little pump you pull up, push down. Microwave, refrigerator. We got cabinets under here, which for storage. And then the other end is where the table is. Of course, she came on and all the lights and the decorations and got all that done. We also got a closet that has plenty of room in there to put stuff. But that is the camper completely done, and with all of their touches to it to make it look like it is now. It's real cozy and warm in here, and that air conditioner puts out great. So hope you enjoyed this video and this camper build, and we will be back with you on the next one that we do, which will be soon. We don't know which one we're going to work on next, but come back and we'll get you with the next one. Thank you.